Hi there, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep, and today we're diving deep into the fascinating world of equipment maintenance. In this video, we'll define what equipment maintenance is, outline the key roles involved, and share an example of how it works in real-life situations. You'll also learn which industries rely on equipment maintenance and where you can get certified if you're interested in pursuing a career in this field. Let's dive into the world of equipment maintenance. So, what is it? Simply put, it's any process used to keep a business's equipment in reliable working order. This could include routine upkeep or corrective repair work. The equipment we're talking about here could be anything from mechanical assets, tools, heavy off-road vehicles, to computer systems. And of course, the resources needed to maintain these will vary by type. For example, repairs made on heavy construction equipment won't look the same as those performed on automated food processing machines. Now, who are the people behind this important task? There are three key roles in the world of equipment maintenance: technicians, supervisors, and managers. First up, we have the maintenance technicians. These are the people who handle general upkeep and repair work on a business's equipment. They may also be involved in diagnostic testing and routine inspections as directed by their supervisors. Some technicians specialize in working on specific types of equipment, while others provide general maintenance services. Next, we have the maintenance supervisors. These are the people who oversee technicians and plan maintenance tasks for each day. They ensure all health and safety requirements are met, manage workloads, and handle preventive maintenance planning. Finally, we have the maintenance managers. They're the ones who handle high-level planning and oversee maintenance supervisors. Their planning is centered around meeting the department's long-term goals rather than day-to-day requirements, though their tasks may overlap somewhat with those of supervisors. Let's look at an example of equipment maintenance in action. Imagine a road construction company that owns numerous expensive assets vital to their business, including heavy-duty construction equipment. To make sure their equipment lasts as long as possible, they perform routine inspections on each asset. For instance, their motor grader needs certain types of maintenance every 500 hours. These tasks include replacing oil, air and fuel filters, changing out the hydraulic tank, lubricating bearings and gears, and inspecting fuel tank caps. They log the number of hours the grader is used each day, and when it reaches a 500-hour interval, they schedule a maintenance inspection. But it's not just about the big machines. They also inspect their power tools after each shift. Their pneumatic jackhammers, for instance, are checked daily for cracks in hoses, abrasion on the bit, and loosening screws. This not only helps their tools last longer, but also enhances safety by preventing dangerous equipment failures. Plus, their tools operate more efficiently, helping them remain productive. So which industries use equipment maintenance? The answer is any industry that uses any kind of equipment. Some major examples include food processing, plastics manufacturing, steel mills, restaurants, construction, automobile manufacturing, and workshops. All of these industries rely on their equipment being in top condition to operate efficiently. Now, if you're interested in becoming an equipment maintenance professional, there are certifications and training available. The Society for Maintenance and Reliability Professionals, or SMRP, offers a Certified Maintenance and Reliability Professional program. To earn this certification, you'll need to pass a sit-down exam. The Association of Equipment Management Professionals, or AEMP, offers 3 certification programs for those working with off-road heavy equipment. These include the Equipment Management Specialist, Certified Equipment Manager, and Certified Equipment Support Professional designations. Many institutions also offer equipment maintenance training and education. Finally, if you're looking for news and resources in the world of equipment maintenance, the AEMP provides educational training, online articles about the industry, and even puts out a quarterly magazine. You can find archived issues of Equipment Manager magazine on their website, and for those in Canada, MRO magazine publishes articles specific to equipment maintenance. Thank you for joining us in this deep dive into the world of equipment maintenance. We've discussed what equipment maintenance is, the key roles involved, and how it works in real-life situations. We've also touched on the various industries that rely on equipment maintenance and the certifications available for those interested in this field. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more content like this. For additional resources and information, visit our website at upkeep.com. Remember, equipment maintenance is a vital part of any industry that relies on machinery and tools. Stay tuned for more insights and tips from UpKeep.